Welcome to Dynamics' new era of assets tracking management. Assets tracking management that helps you control costs, improve operations, better manage people, and reduce risk to make your entire business stronger. It all starts with industrial rigid electronic sensors built into your assets. The sensors automatically gather data about your assets' activities, such as site movements, working hours, fuel consumption, and more. Pairs this data with information from inspections, site assessments, repair history, and SOS fluid sampling and analysis. Altogether, this information provides a comprehensive, up-to-date mixed fleet view of your equipment. You can check an individual machine, look at a job site, or see your entire fleet at a glance, view it when you need it, or offer regular updates that benchmark your fleet against other fleets in your region. That simply wasn't possible before. This system can also scour the data for you to offer recommendations for maintenance or repairs, and can carry them out if you choose, with data from your equipment, and you will be able to make timely, well-informed assets management decisions that positively impact your business. Here are just a few examples. Control costs by finding and eliminating unproductive idle time. Improve operations by scheduling repairs instead of running machines until they break. Better manage your people so they stay busy without becoming overtaxed, and reduce risk by tracking machine locations in making informed decisions about your assets. Meet Bob. He is in charge of operations at a big organization. A major part of his role is overseeing the management and tracking of the company's business's critical assets, which if not properly recorded and tracked, this issue can cost the organization up to hundreds or thousands of an annual basis. With the solution from Dynamics Company, you will be able to monitor and track your vehicles and make sure it's in the right track. Also, you can monitor and track gate when it's open or close. Also, you can monitor the vehicle engine when it starts. From the system, you can know the vehicle destination, vehicle speed, which will give you an indication through the system. Also, through the system, you will be able to know the tire status and complete trip distances, engine working time, and vehicle heat, oil status, truck or vehicle weight, and gas consumption. At real-time process, you can indicate the maintenance time before time in order to prevent and maintain the vehicle's safety. Each vehicle will be provided with a system called iButton, the best way of tracking the driver if he is inside or if he is outside the vehicle. With an SOS emergency button, the driver can ask for help. This will allow the main control room of any information or emergency to easily communication to all drivers for any assistance. Whether you're managing 50 or 50,000 pieces of heavy equipment, there are countless factors to measure and optimize to ensure the maximum utilization and security of your fleet. Dynamics Company provides you with a flexible end-to-end management solution that combines ruggedized hardware, powerful website reporting applications, global satellite and cellular data communications, and powerful back-office applications to track and monitor your assets in the farthest corners of the world. Stay one step ahead of your equipment performance by getting the information you need to manage timely preventative maintenance. Orcom's powerful reporting application keeps you on top of key operational metrics, so you'll be the first to know if your equipment needs servicing, if it's been used without your authorization, or if it's been moved from a secure location. Our complete telematics solution enables you to keep your equipment safe and in prime condition, while continuously generating a higher return on investment. Get reliable and timely data on your equipment's productivity, utilization, and location to optimize billing and drive down the life cycle costs of your assets. Bob and his team has been limping along with the manual spreadsheet, very old asset tracking system, which has become not only time-consuming to manage, but more worryingly is providing a limited visibility on the company assets. Bob is concerned they are losing control fast, and his team need to take action. In Real Asset Management, web-based asset tracking and data capture solution is the answer to all Bob's problems, with the options to use an iOS, Android phone devices to monitor, scan, and record assets. This system can utilize barcode, including our system and this technology, to provide a complete solution to any asset tracking requirement. Now Dynamics Company can confidently manage the collection and delivery of your reusable assets to your customers. Bob will be able to reduce costs spent on replacing lost assets and keep check on the status and condition of item could be go out or in premises. Bob can confidently manage asset issues, return and reservations within the business on a daily basis, controlling the assignment and assets to employees, vendors, and customers, and ensuring that no assets get misplaced. This solution will monitor all your assets, such as crane vehicle, forklift, dumping trucks, long fuel tank trucks. Also, it will monitor tank level, pumps, generators, even small items, laptops, and any kind of mobile devices. RFID in use. The uses of radio frequency identification technology, or RFID, in a warehouse or any base industry is to provide an unprecedented degree of asset visibility. Traditional RFID readers are used for choke point visibility. As such, the amount of equipment needed to cover an expansive yard or slip area. Based on your needs, you can identify which tag needed, either active tag or passive tag. The active tags use batteries as their power source, and the passive tag that has no internal power source. To provide and maintain an intrinsically safe working environment, minimize recurring cost, and operate without sacrificing red range capabilities, this solution will utilize passive tags along with new highly advanced reader technology. Is developed for your needs. A single reader is deployed to cover up to 300,000 square feet. Additionally, antennas are placed throughout the desired area of coverage to excite or give energy to any passive tags that have been applied to an asset. The asset tracking process currently begins in the marshalling yard. If an asset does not already have one or more RFID tags attached to it, the proper type of tag is selected based on the asset. It will be affixed to. The selected tags are then attached to the asset of interest. At this point, if the asset has never been tagged, its information is entered in a Triton for tracking throughout the system. If the asset has been tagged and recorded in the system, there is no further information needed, as it is recalled from the previous entry. Asset is then either stored until needed, or moved directly to the vessel loading or unloading area. As the asset passes through the doors into different designated zones, the tag information is obtained, and the location is recorded. The tagged assets are then loaded onto their vessel as each asset passes onto the vessel's deck. The tag information is once again obtained and the asset's location is recorded. This process works the same in reverse. With this exciting new technologies, your company assets tracking management system will be able to monitor real-time movement of your assets, view historical asset movement, have the ability to view current physical location of your asset, retrieve accurate, up-to-date inventory reports, receive alerts for assets when certain events take place. In addition, the solution can be scaled out to encompass the life cycle of the asset from supplier to its eventual destination.